Hey, kindergartners, welcome back to the second part of your lesson 9. We're going to talk about how to describe circles. And the word we're going to work with today is the word curve. So before we get started, I want to make sure that you're familiar with the word curve. So let's try some of these together. All right, Saffron, you ready for the word curve? You think you know what it is? Faye, you think you know what the word curve is? It's a continuous line that arcs. And so a straight line is not a curve, Jack. It has to be a rounded line. So, Ryder, here we go. Are you ready? Curve or not a curve? Ryder, you're shaking your head no. Raleigh, do you agree with him? Not a curve? I agree. It's a straight line. It's not a curve. All right, let's look at the next one. Here we go, Presley. Curve or not a curve? Presley's nodding like this. Serenity, you agree with her? It's a curve. Good job. Let's try another one. All right, Ariana, take a look here. Curve or not a curve? She's thinking about Millie saying no. It's a straight line, a straight line, and a straight line. It could be a diagonal line, but there's corners here. There's an angle here. It's not nice and smooth. So this is not a curve. Good job, Millie and Ariana. All right, Xander. Curve or not a curve? Do you see some curves there? He's saying yeah. Hayden, would you agree with him? I agree with him too. I see some curves there. There's the curves. All right, let's go on. Let's see here. Cecil, curves or no curves? No curves. Takaya, do you agree with him? Just straight pointy lines there. Those are not curves. Good job. All right, let's move on to our next one. Kira, what do you think? Curves or no curves? No curves. Skylar, would you agree with it? Oh, curves. Yes, curves. Okay. Skylar, do you agree with her? There's some curves there? Me too. Wyatt, do you think you know what a curve is now? Penny, do you think you know what a curve is? Okay, so we trace the curve of the circle. That's the outside of the circle, the curve or the round line. And we're going to turn the page. Get your pencil out and draw the curve of the circle. Go ahead and do that now. Get out your pencil and draw the curve of the circle. Good. Then you're going to skip down here and you're going to circle one of these pictures that shows a curved line. Does the picture frame, the clock, or the yield sign have a curved line around it? If you circled the clock, I would agree with you because a circle has a curved line. Circles have no straight lines in them. That's right. So on this one, what they want you to do is they want you to hold your pencil on a paper clip. So I gave you guys those paper clips. So it says use a pencil to hold one end of a large paper clip on one of the dots in the center of the page. Place another pencil on the other end of the paper clip and move the pencil around in a circle. Do you understand what they mean? Let me show you. Let me grab my paper clip. All right, and I'm going to move my camera down so that you guys can see it. Are you ready? Do you see my board? All right, and I have pens, so I'll just use a pen. So I'm going to hold it with one side with my pen, and I'm going to put my pen in the other side, and I'm just going to draw all the way. Whoops, Mrs. Norton messed that one up. Draw all the way around it so I make a circle. There we go. See, even I mess up, and that's okay. So then you drew a circle. See how it's a curved line all around it? So if someone asked you to tell them about a circle, would you say that it has straight lines or curved lines? Curved lines, that's right. Go ahead and turn the page. All right. I have a curve. What shape am I? Draw that shape right here and tell me the name of that shape. Penny, do you think you can draw a shape with a curved line? Kira, do you think you can draw a shape with a curved line? Good. On this one, it's just a repeat of what we did before. So if you enjoyed drawing that circle with the paper clip, you can do it again. And they just want to do a quick check right here. Which one of these has a curved line? If you said the plate, I would agree. It has a curved line. It's shaped like a circle. Tomorrow we will start off on squares and talking about how to identify squares and talking about what makes a square. Can't wait to meet you tomorrow for lessons 9.3 and 9.4. Have a good night, kindergartners.